Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gelato to sell print on demand globally from the US, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Gelato and sell print on demand globally from the US, start by visiting the Gelato website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Choose your preferred subscription plan based on your business needs. Once your account is set up, log in to the Gelato dashboard. Explore the various products available for print on demand. Select the products you would like to offer in your store. Upload your designs for the selected products. Make sure to adhere to Gelato's guidelines for image sizes and formats. Next, set your pricing strategy for each product to ensure a good profit margin. Link your Gelato account to your existing online store platform. If you don't have an online store yet, consider creating one using platforms like Shopify or Etsy. You can find the integration option in the settings menu of your Gelato dashboard. Follow the prompts to connect your store by entering the necessary API keys or authentication details. Once linked, check that your products are properly synced with your online store. You may need to set specific shipping options for international customers. Be mindful of currency settings based on where you're selling your products. After your products are connected and synced, create compelling product descriptions. Use keywords that will attract international customers. Next, promote your store through social media and email marketing. Consider translating your store into different languages for better accessibility. Keep an eye on your sales and customer feedback. Regularly update your inventory and product offerings to keep your store fresh. Monitor your Gelato dashboard for order fulfillment updates and reporting. Finally, stay informed about any changes in shipping regulations to ensure smooth global sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.